Hi everyone, I'm Cecilia Hung from Corporate Visa Solutions. Today we are going to talk about a topic that many companies overlook, but that can be very useful for short-term projects in the US. B1 visas for technical assignments. If your company needs to send engineers, specialists, or technicians to the US for a limited time, this video will help you understand what's possible and what's not. The B1 visa is officially a business visitor visa. It's designed for activities such as meetings, negotiations, and training, not for employment in the US. However, under specific circumstances, it can also be used for short-term technical assignments. This is sometimes referred to as B1 commercial or industrial worker. A company may use the B1 visa for a technical assignment when the employee remains on foreign payroll and is not paid by the U.S. entity. The work in the U.S. is temporary and project-specific. The assignment usually lasts a few weeks or months, not years. The purpose is often to provide specialized knowledge or services that support a contract between the foreign and U.S. companies. For example, a Spanish company sending a technician to install equipment is sold to a U.S. client. It is very important to understand the limits of this option. The B1 visa does not allow U.S. employment. If the worker is filling a position that a U.S. worker could hold, the visa is not appropriate. The applicant must show clear evidence of ongoing employment abroad, such as contracts, pay slips, or corporate letters. Approval is always case by case, depending on the U.S. consulate and the documentation provided. Companies choose this option because it can be faster to obtain than a long-term work visa, less costly since it avoids complex petitions like the L1B. Flexible for short-term needs such as troubleshooting, training, or specialized installations. Misusing the B1 visa can lead to denials, visa cancellations, or even entry bans. That's why it's crucial to prepare strong documentation about the assignment. Clearly explain the temporary nature of the visit. Ensure the employee continues to be paid from abroad. The B1 visa for technical assignments can be a valuable tool for international companies, but it requires careful planning and compliance. At Corporate Visa Solutions, we guide companies through this process to make sure their projects in the US move forward smoothly, without immigration setbacks. Thank you for watching, and if your company is planning a technical assignment in the US, feel free to reach out to our team.